When a server goes down or a network bottlenecks, IT admins often find themselves jumping between several different management consoles, searching for scattered PowerShell scripts and waiting for resource-heavy third-party software to load. This batch-based administration suite consolidates those disparate functions into a single command line interface, grouping major administrative overrides into a logical menu. The suite runs entirely on native Windows utilities. Because it is a batch script, it operates without an installation process or external software libraries. In an enterprise outage, the ability to trigger a pre-verified sequence of commands allows an administrator to begin the recovery process immediately, removing the delay of manual syntax entry. After acquiring the script, simply double-clicking the file will cause it to close immediately. This is a built-in check for session privileges. The script is designed to stop if it detects a standard user environment, which prevents commands from failing halfway through execution due to restricted access. To initiate the tools, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. This provides the script with the system-level clearance required to modify registry keys and network adapters. Successful execution opens the master menu, partitioned into 25 modules. These act as gateways to hundreds of commands, from system lookups to hardware overrides. By typing 99 at any prompt, you return to this primary list. Starting the script with elevated privileges is a necessary step. It ensures that every selection you make from this point forward has the full authority to completely bypass standard software locks. Module 2, the Network Suite, contains scripts for diagnosing and resolving over 100 connectivity issues. You can run isolated tasks like flushing DNS records, tracing packets for latency, or viewing Wi-Fi profiles. Executing these manually requires an administrator to remember specific netsh and IP config syntax for each protocol. The full network repair option automates this entire process by cascading those complex protocols into a single effortless keystroke. The script resets the WinSock catalog, the TCP IP stack, and the firewall states in quick succession to clear any software-based routing blocks. Automating the sequence through a script eliminates the risk of syntax errors, ensuring the network adapter is reset to a clean state every time. Module 3, Windows Repair, is designed to address operating system instability and corrupted system files. The full auto repair follows sequential logic, verifying system file integrity before moving to the component store for image servicing. This process validates the OS from top-level files down to the foundational boot record. Remote access is managed in Module 6. Enterprise helpdesks often use these scripts to restore connectivity when standard remote tools fail. It provides specific fixes for CRED SSP authentication errors and multi-monitor display issues common in remote sessions. The toolkit can also modify firewall rules and verify port 3389 status, ensuring the remote desktop protocol is not blocked by local security policy. These diagnostic modules provide a methodical way to stabilize a machine remotely, often resolving issues that would otherwise require a physical hardware reset. Module 7, the PC Speed Booster, focuses on reclaiming system resources by clearing background data. It automates the purging of nested application caches and temporary internet files, clearing prefetch data to reduce load on the storage controller. The Extreme Boost option runs these cleanup tasks in parallel, clearing diverse cache directories across the drive at the same time. However, before modifying system-wide settings, professional standards require using Module 15, the backup and restore tools. To prevent accidental data loss, the toolkit requires you to define a target backup drive before executing a full system image or registry export. Pairing aggressive system optimization with a verified recovery plan ensures you can restore a functional environment if a configuration causes instability. By organizing these native commands into a logical hierarchy, this script provides a comprehensive administrative interface within a standard command prompt window. Because the code is open source and written in batch, it allows for a full security audit, making it a transparent tool for any IT department. This provides a standardized method to assess and repair endpoints across a network without the need for a dedicated management server. Having these tools available in a single portable file allows for a rapid response in any environment. You can find the source code linked in the description. Subscribe for more technical walkthroughs and tell us in the comments which module you find most useful in your workflow.